How to install a bike rack. So this is the rack I'm going to be installing. The first thing I'm going to do is attach these mounting arms to the rack, one on either side. I have 3 size options, either short, medium, or long. I'm going to start with the long, attach it like that, and see how that works for me. Now the back of your bike has a couple mounting holes. One of them is here, and the other one is here. You're going to put this hole lined up with one of the mounting holes on the bike, and then that's the second hole that you're going to align with the bike and screw those in. Now that our bike rack is attached in the back, we have to attach it in the front. We're going to screw this mounting arm into that mounting arm hole on both sides. And with a little bit of work and time, the bike rack is installed.